We're going to consider the functions f and g. We're going to have to drag and drop our answers here in a few minutes, but we're going to match each expression to the function. So what we're going to have to do first of all is we're going to have to figure out, well, what's f plus x? And we kind of talked about that in another video already, but f plus g of x simply means that we're going to take function f of x and we're going to add it to function g of x. So f of x is x squared plus 5x plus 6, and g of x is x plus 3. And when we go back and look at our like terms here, we don't have anything alike with x squared, but we do have a 5x and a 1. So it's plus 6x, and then we have 6 and 3, which is 9. So if we go back to Edmentum here, and we look at there, x squared plus 6x plus 9, there is a answer right there. So the next part is that we're going to do f minus g of x. Minus g of x simply means that we're going to take f of x and we're going to subtract g of x. Careful, because we're going to have to distribute, but x squared plus 5x plus 6, and then let me write it in a different color, minus, and then our g of x, which is x plus 3. So we're going to have to do a little bit more work because we're going to have to distribute, but we get x squared plus 5x plus 6, like with the x squared once again, but we do have 5x minus 1x. Again, reminder, there's a 1 written in front of the x when nothing's written there. And then we have 6 minus 3, which is plus 3. And we go back and we look for x squared plus 4x on this particular problem, is that we want to take times g of x. And that means simply that we're going to take function f and we're going to multiply it by function g. And we're going to get x squared plus 5x plus 6. We're going to multiply that by x plus 3. And when we multiply, let me set it as x here, and I'm going to distribute it. Oh, let's get it in the right place there. Here. So x times x squared is x cubed. X times 5x. X times 6, and then we're going to do the same. We're going to do 3 times x squared, 3 times 5x, 3 times 6, and 3 times x squared is 3x squared, 3 times 5x is 15x, and 3 is 18. And then lastly, what we want to do is we want to combine like terms. Our highest degree term is x cubed. Edmentum really does like standard form, which means highest degree term first, then next highest degree term, and so forth. We've got plus 5x squared plus 3x. We've got 6x plus 15x, which is 21x. And then we've got 18. 4 is x squared plus 8x squared plus 21x plus 18. So last to do is we need to take f divided by, which is going to require us here in a minute to factor, but if you want to write it out or make it a little bit more understandable, divided by g of x, and our f squared plus 5x plus 6 divided. And what we need to do to divide is we need to factor the x squared plus 5x plus 6. So if I just come off to the side here, 1 times 6 is 6. And the factors of 6 are 1 and 6 and 2 and 3. Unfortunately, both of these will combine to be 5, but because we need to have everything positive down here. So if we picked 1 and 6, this would have to be 6 minus 1. So it's not going to be that. It's going to be the 3x plus 6. And if you wrote x squared plus 3x plus 2x plus 6, that's still fine. We're grouping. And what we've got is we've got x, and then we have x plus 2. We had 2 x's, we took out 1, we still have 1. Over here, in here, but 3x divided by 3 is x, 6 divided by 3 is 2. So when we factor this, we end up with x plus 2. And then in this first group, we have an x. In the second group, we have a plus 3. So when we fill that back in, we've got x plus 2 times x plus 3, all divided by, and we go back to Edmentum, and there's the x plus 2.